My name is Nandhitha JK. I'm from Mysore. I completed Master of Chemistry in Manasa Gangotri, Mysore University, and I passed out in 2022. After that, I did my post-graduation program in Imarticus Learning, and I passed out at 2024 September. Then I got placed in a fintech company called Axio. Currently, I'm working there as a risk analyst. Like I said, I am from a science background, so I need to change my career path from a science to a IT field. Then I wanted to pursue a mathematics and statistics included course, so I decided to take the data analytics and science program. It was very helpful to create my career path in the data science field, where as a life science background girl, as an employee, I need to change my complete transition my journey to a data science field. So I took this data science program, where I upskilled all the tools which are required for the data science and analytics, and also because of the internship itself, I got to know about the corporate field, how the work culture will be and how the project will be there in the corporate field in the course itself. So it was very helpful for me. The curriculum and the faculty and the processing, everything is awesome in the Imarticus Learning, where the curriculum is very systematic and it is up to date, and they have already created the curriculum which is required for the whole to complete the whole course, and they will complete it on the date. So it is very helpful, and the counselors who attended me are also very good and very responsive. It was a wonderful experience, which is a very important step of my life. Of course, I recommend this course to everyone who reach out to me, and already I'm promoting this course in the company also. I've already recommended a few of my friends in CBOP and data science both.